Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to create an incident management process in teamwork.com, your full 2025 guide. First up, after logging into teamwork.com, navigate to the Projects tab and click on Add a new project. This is where we'll set up our incident management process. Creating a dedicated project for this streamlines communication and ensures that all relevant stakeholders have access to real-time updates. Next, you'll want to name the project something like Incident Management. Why? This helps us because it makes the project easily identifiable to your team. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your team members. Go to Team tab, click on Add People, and select the appropriate team members. It's critical to include everyone who will be handling incidents to ensure seamless communication and collaboration. Once you've added your team, move on to Tasks. Click on Add a new task and start mapping out your incident management process. Each task should represent a step in the process, such as incident identification, incident analysis, incident resolution, and so on. Breaking down the process into tasks makes it manageable and clear for your team. Now let's talk about task assignments. Assign each task to a team member responsible for that step in the process. The reason we do this is to ensure accountability and make it clear who's responsible for each step. Lastly, set up notifications. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and customize it to your liking. This ensures that the team gets alerted whenever there's a new incident or when an existing one progresses. And that's it. You've created an incident management process in teamwork.com. Remember, the key here is to keep things organized and ensure clear communication among your team. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.